Hi everyone. Got my Fusion fixed. It was $790, which was quite a bit cheaper than the dealership because they wanted to charge me $200 to look at it and another $2,000 to fix it. It was like $2,200 they wanted to charge me. Because they just had to replace the brake rotors and brake pads and service the calipers. Because that's why it was grinding, was because all four calipers were sticking, but then they were releasing and they didn't need to be replaced. He said the calipers are actually no more than 2 years old. So now this has all four brakes all the way around. And it really wasn't a bad price. It was under $800. $788.43 is what it cost. And I walked around it, and those brake rotors are really nice and shiny. Because when I dropped it off this morning, he said, "Oh, I have all the parts." He said, "So we'll get to it today." Because when he called me like 10 minutes after I got home, and he said, "So do you want it done?" And I said, "Yes." And I said, "Well, I will need to get my Dodge in and get that done as well." Well, my Dodge, I can wait to do that because at least get one of them with the brakes done, because this is worse. This had the worst brakes than my Dodge. My Dodge, they told me, had like 50% brake pad left. And yeah, they squeak off and on, but they still stop and they're not grinding. So that's one good thing. Because they told me I could get another 12 to 15,000 miles out of it, and that was only like 2,000 miles ago. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.